Industry 4.0 is probably a term you are familiar with. On an average, 167 billion searches are made every month on Google, and out of them, approximately 10 lakh searches were of Industry 4.0. And as per the current statistics, we hope that Industry 5.0 will beat this number. So, what is so unique in them? On a short note, the fourth industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0, is a confluence of different technologies and seamless connection between the digital and the real world. Industry 4.0 focuses on the interconnectedness of machines and systems to achieve optimum performance and improve efficiency and productivity. But now with the growing digital world, a new industry has came into existence, that is Industry 5.0. And Industry 5.0 will take it a step further by refining human-machine communication. The previous tier, Industry 4.0, emerged with automation technologies, IoT, and intelligent factory. The next step is Industry 5.0, which involves combining increasingly powerful and accurate machinery with the human being's unique creative ability. So you might be wondering how both Industry 4.0 and 5.0 can benefit the society. So here are some comparative points of Industry 4.0 and 5.0 that would enhance your knowledge about industrial transformation and help society grow better in the VUCA world. Number 1. Increased efficiency. With increased automation and capacity for continuous improvement, intelligent factories will be able to increase their efficiency. Every resource will be automatically optimized to reduce waste. Both Industry 4.0 and 5.0 ultimately aim at improving the efficiency of both are competing in this context. Number 2. Innovation. Industry 4.0 and 5.0 are all about innovation. Industry 5.0 is a collaboration between automated technologies, ultra-fast accuracy, and a human's critical thinking and creativity. And this lends 5.0 to be one step ahead of Industry 4.0. The personnel that is part of Industry 5.0 will leverage the potential of technology and find room to add their ideas that led to a product developed with personalization in mind. Furthermore, the automation achieved during Industry 5.0 allows workers to free themselves from specific repetitive tasks, focusing on crafting more full strategies or applying their creativity. Number 3. Cost and waste optimization. Cost and waste management are essential aspects of industrial transformation. Industry 4.0 has not focused on the protection of environment as a priority. However, one can achieve lower operating cost overall through better resources, less wastage, reduced quality issues, and less downtime in Industry 4.0. The search for business models that use the least resource to obtain the highest profit finds in Factory 5.0 their highest level of perfection to data, since man and machine work together to make the best financial decisions for the company. Number 4. Accelerated response to customers' need. Customers' needs are changing faster than many industries can keep up with. Customers want new designs, new technologies, etc. every few months. These industrial transformations are built for agility to respond to market dynamics faster than the competition. Industry 5.0, with improved human skills and creativity, tends to make better communication between the clients and the organization. So both industries eventually aim to provide better, convenient, and profitable services to the customers. Tell us in the comment section what are your views about industrial transformation. Also remember to subscribe the channel, thus we can chat once more tomorrow, and that we perpetually praise your thumbs up. Thanks for watching.